What's going on, guys? So I have my entire front bumper removed for repairs. However, my front lip needs repaired as well. In fact, on the passenger side, there's about a 6-inch crack that is formed, and today I'm going to show you how to repair that using epoxy. Several years ago, I actually had a crack form on this very same front lip, and I repaired it using epoxy. I unfortunately didn't make a video, and I've regretted it ever since. However, that repair held up very well, so I will be showing you the same method today so that you'll know how to repair a polyurethane front lip. If you have a front lip that is carbon fiber or fiberglass, you will need to use some type of fiberglass or epoxy resin to repair that. So this may work, but that is a different material than polyurethane. I can vouch that this does work well for polyurethane. As with some of my other videos, I will add subtitles so you can follow along exactly with what I'm doing. If you want to know what products I'm using, it'll be in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, please add it in the comments down below and I will try to respond and let you know whatever it is that you want to know. So with that being said, let's jump into this repair.